Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this HADMAX Treadmill portable walking pad. This is an amazing portable option if you want to get some exercise at home. You can easily put this underneath your desk by folding down the handrail if you like. You can put your phone here, put any reading material on here, and use that while you are using the treadmill if you so wish. This has like 4 different levels, so there are lots of different options to choose from depending on your height. This treadmill supports up to 300 pounds. The thing I love about this treadmill is that there are various programs that are pre-programmed in there, so you can choose which one you like depending on what kind of workout you want. So here's a close look at those programs. As you can see, there are 12 different programs. You've got cardio, you've got recovery, you have steady state, intervals, pyramid, and then over here, this just displays how to use this handy dandy remote. But you can also set your own programs based on distance, based on calories burned, based on time. This remote is magnetic, by the way, so you can easily clip it on to any part of this rail and have it with you at all times. This remote, you can adjust the speed. You can automatically go to 3 mile per hour speed. The speeds on this go up to 3.8 miles per hour, so you can get a very nice jog in there. And it's also got mode buttons, so this would be to program your own mode, and then the P button will be to actually use the pre-programmed modes. Here are the feet, and if you want to add an extra 10% incline to the treadmill on either side, you will fold out these feet and it will raise up the front of the treadmill. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing going. So here is the user manual. It comes with a quick start guide, very easy to set up, and it's also got lubricant and extra battery for the remote. And you can put the lubricant in a dedicated spot right here at the front of the treadmill. This is 0.6 miles per hour right here. Now I'm at 3.8. Taking a look at this display, I can adjust the speed by holding that down. I can also press it for incremental change. I can press 3 to go straight to 3 miles per hour. And here it will display time. I have this on a 30-minute workout. Total distance. And then calories burned. And finally, the speed. I went ahead and lowered the handlebar. If you want to fold this down, you can do so. You just have to maneuver this from this position to this on both sides. Overall, I highly recommend this treadmill walking pad from HADMAX. Again, you can do walking, you can do jogging, you can do running on it. It's great for small spaces. It really doesn't take up a lot of space at all. You can have this underneath your desk. You can have it with the handrail if you like. Easily secure the remote there with that magnet. You can adjust the incline to 10% if you want a little bit more of a challenge. And it's got that display right there with all the different programs, all the different modes. It really doesn't get better than this. Thanks for watching.